Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this tutorial, I will teach you how we can create Instagram Reels within 1 minute. So guys, I am going to make use of videos from Pixabay. Pixabay is a website from which you can download videos which are copyright free. So guys, I have downloaded two videos from this website called Pixabay, and then I'm going to use Canva to design basically the Instagram Reels. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, I have selected a template called basically Reels, and over here I have already uploaded both the videos. So now let me drag and drop the videos over here. So this is my first slide and this is my second slide. So now two pages are created of my basically Reels. Now I'm going to click on text over here, and now I'm going to add this basically text. So once I click on it, then the text got added over here. Now I'm going to write beautiful beach, okay, and I'm going to reduce the size. So we need to do it this in within 1 minute, okay. This is how we add the text, and at the end over here I'm going to put this like and share, okay, and we'll place it over here. So there you go, guys. Reel is ready within 1 minute. So now I'm going to play it. You guys can see how beautiful it looks. And guys, this is copyright free content which I have downloaded from pixabay.com. You guys can also create similar kind of reels for your Instagram account. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. How we can create Instagram reels within 1 minute. So please go ahead and smash the subscribe button down. Also press bell icon to get all notification in my new videos. Also please like and share this video. Thank you.